Hi students, today is a special day, September 5, Teachers Day. So I thought of taking one class for you, solving just 3 questions which are asked in the entrance examination. Actually today I am very happy that all the Teachers Day, I am really happy because that is my wedding anniversary plus Teachers Day. And today, from the beginning, when I woke up, I saw one message. I think by 4 o'clock, one of my student, she is doctor now, Vijayasri. She messaged me, and after that, one by one, I was getting messages and phone calls. So, in that, I would like to share a few names. Definitely, I can't say all the names. It is so many students. So few which I remember, which is coming to my mind now. One Pramod, now he is studying in Italy. He is doing his interior design. Then Dr. Ram Vibhagar, and so when Ram Vibhagar, Pramod and all, when they called, they were not talking about the classes, the chemistry which I taught. They were talking about the wonderful moments. Ram Vibhagar, Pramod and all were representing the basketball team when they were in school. So they were talking about that sometimes I used to take them, even in my chemistry period, I used to take them to the ground. So they were talking about that, and the funniest moments, Pramod was very naughty and he was talking about the things which he done during the school time. Then another important thing, Dharmaraj, another student, he is not a chemistry student, he is a commerce student. He called me, and then Ajay Ranjan, Sudarshan, so many Sudarshans are there. Then Ritika, Shivani, one by one, I don't remember all the names. So, from all these students, they mentioned that the values which they learned from me, that they were sharing. So, one thing I understood, Northern chemistry, the students will recollect, that will be there in their memory, the things, the life tips which we taught, or the values which we taught through our behavior. And when they were calling and sharing this, it's really, it's a motivation for me. Like when they were the students, I motivated them. In turn, now they all motivated me and made my day wonderful. So really, I am thankful to all those students. I forgot some of the names which I didn't mention here. I am really thankful to all the students, those who called me today. And still, I know that some of them they called last year, they forgot today. I am sure that they remember me because of their busy life. They might have not got the time to call. So I am sure that I will be there in my heart. Not only me, those teachers, those who have worked with me, and this time I would like to mention some of my teachers' name. One Mr. Menon sir, Kartav sir, and of course James sir and Agustin sir. So these two teachers, I think their combination. So James sir was my maths teacher, is very lenient, and Agustin sir was my chemistry teacher, very strict. So I think I am the combination of these two teachers mainly, James sir and Agustin sir, and this moment I remember those teachers, and college teachers, George Phillips sir, then Nandini ma'am, Shalala ma'am, so many teachers. I can't mention all these teachers here. So when I am comparing me with them, I don't think I am not even 1/100th of them. So really, because of their blessings and their subject knowledge which they shared, with that presently I am sharing my subject knowledge with my students, and in the normal days, the coming days also, I am sure that this pandemic period will go and the students will come back to school, and I hope that next Teachers Day I will be talking to the students directly. So I will teach you some other questions now. The reaction of this, you have to write the product. So in this, in this first reaction, in the second one, in this OH molecule, I'll write the structure detail: C6H5, CH2, CH, OH, CH, CH3, CH3. So the OH from here and H from here will go, and we will get a double bond. Sorry, not this H, OH from here, this H and this H. Water molecule will go, and you will get C6H5CH double bond, CH, CH, CH3 twice. So this compound can be written in one more form. This is trans form, and one more form is there, that is cis form. C6H5C H double bond C, CH, CH3 twice H. If the same group come on the same side, that is called cis, and this is called the trans. These two options will be there. Other than that, 2 or 3 options will be there. So we will have doubt in this, whether this compound or this compound. So cis form is less stable and trans form is more stable. So your answer should be this one. So once again I'll explain: C6H5, CH2, CHOH, CH, CH3 twice. So OH from here and H from here will go, and we will get a double bond. So the chance is trans form and cis form. Out of that, trans form is more stable, so that should be your correct answer. The second question: this on protonation followed by heating. So protonation will take place here, and we know that oxygen can make only 2 bonds. Now oxygen has made 3 bonds. It will be unstable, and the bond will break here. Heterolytic cleavage will take place, and you will get a compound like this, carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation. The secondary carbocation is less stable than tertiary carbocation. So this hydrogen will shift to this, so that you will get a compound like this. This is tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary. Now the question will come, why the tertiary carbocation is more stable? So we have 3 alkyl groups here. Each alkyl group will donate electron to this due to plus I effect, inductive effect. So tertiary here, but only 2 alkyl groups. So when 3 alkyl groups are there, more number of electrons will come here, and this will be more stabilized. And after that, what will happen? One hydrogen will be removed, and you will get a double bond. That bond will shift here, and you will get a double bond over here. CH3, C, CH3, double bond, CH, CH3. And another chance, hydrogen can be given from here. Then it will be CH2, double bond, C, CH3, CH2, CH3. And according to Zaitsev rule, the one which is more alkylated will be more stable. So how can you say that which is more how can you find out which is more alkylated? Just count the number of hydrogen across the double bond. So here you can see no hydrogen here, and here 1 hydrogen, so totally 1 hydrogen across the double bond. So here 2 hydrogen across the double bond. One which contain less number of hydrogen across the double bond will be major, and that will be around 80%, and this will be around 20%. So if they have given both this option, you have to go for this option, or if they have given the option A and B are correct, both are correct, or if they ask major one, this should be your answer. And this is very simple question. The most suitable reagent for conversion of a primary alcohol into aldehyde. So pyridinium chromochromate, that is PCC, is the best reagent for conversion of an alcohol to aldehyde. If you are using KMnO4 or potassium dichromate, that will be converted to aldehyde, then to acid. They are strong oxidizing agent. So the best suitable reagent for conversion of an primary alcohol into aldehyde is PCC. So once again, thanks for all the students, those who called me, those who messaged, or those who still remember me on this precious day. Thank you for your motivation. Thanks a lot.